Hi guys, this is Adam with Bench Lake Backpacking. Wanted to shoot a little review video tonight for some of our newer products. First one here is the Soto Outdoors Micro Regulator Stove. This little stove weighs about 2.5 ounces, puts out 11,000 BTUs. The arms fold down, handle folds in. One of the coolest features I think for this stove is that the igniter is built into the tube. This makes it a lot less likely to break it off. I'll click it there, see if you can see the spark. Comes off that, just makes a little spark and ignites it. These screw onto these disposable butane canisters. This canister here is about 3/4 empty, not a lot of fuel left in it. Did that on purpose. So it just screws on like that. And what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to use the second product here, the GSI Halolite Catalyst teapot. This is the setup that I've chosen for my backpacking needs. To boil water for the backpacker's pantry freeze-dried meals. Very effective little setup. What I've got here is a quart of cold tap water. Just let it run cold for a moment. I'm going to make this a little bit more interesting. I'm actually going to throw in a couple ice cubes into the pot here, make it a little bit colder. So, like I said, 1 quart of cold water fills the kettle up almost completely up to the edge here. And what we're going to do is we're going to time just how long it takes for this little stove to boil 1 quart of ice water. Alright, so I got the stopwatch going here. I'll start that in just a second. Alright, so here goes. Crank that up all the way. Hit the stopwatch. And we'll let it go, see how long it takes for that to boil. Alright, we're about 30 seconds in. Starting to get some bubbles on the bottom of the pan. Alright, there's the 1 minute mark. Starting to get some currents swirling up in there. Alright, there's 2 minutes, and it's starting to get some bubbles forming on there, starting to bubble up a little bit. Got a little bit of bubbles forming around the neck there. Coming up on 3 minutes, I can see some bubbles starting to boil up there. I'll bet you another 40 seconds. Again, I intentionally used a canister that's about 3/4 empty, so there's less fuel in there, less pressure. That's one of the beauties of the micro regulator stove, is it works well in the cold temperatures and works very well when the bottle gets started. So we're at 3.5 minutes here, and it is just starting to boil here. Let it go just a little bit longer. Like I said, this is ice water I put in there. Alright, we're coming up 4 minutes right now. Now if you can tell, it's starting to boil in right around the neck there. There we go, boiling over. 4 minutes and 12 seconds and it's boiling over. So there you have it, folks. 4 minutes, 12 seconds and it boiled the pot over.